contracts fell this report, but buyer activity is ahead this year over last year. It's Friday, July 11th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Most areas of Maryland have seen prices rise since last year. However, Garrett County's median home prices fell year over year to $440,000, and Worcester County fell to $424,900. Coming soon properties rose 15% to 1,617. New listings to market saw 1,680 units this report, 32% fewer this week than last week at a median $438,990. Homes going under contract slid backwards 46.3% this report to 1,174 and going under contract in 21 days. 699 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio, selling in 11 days at a median $450,000. Rental properties rose to 2,904 and priced at a median $2,650 per month. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 11th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.